Hello guys! Good morning! So today, lunch! Ayan, ito na. Mapapagod bukas and mag-haul sa oras. Bukit ka doon para bukas hindi kami malig sa flight. Sana lang mag-fit sa ng breakfast. So, dumating na taxi. Ang liit, hindi ka ang init talaga. Kaya, alam nyo, ay mister na kailangan maaga kami separate para hindi kami mag-haul. Hindi mo kasi makokontrol yung oras saka yung mga nangyayari, diba? Hello guys! Good morning! So today is July 2 and today is the day na lalabas na kami ng bahay na to. Ayan, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo ang itsura ng ating aalisan. So ayan. Ayan na ang itsura. And hindi pa nila kinuha yung mga appliances. So pagbalik na lang ni Mr. dito, final glance! Ayan, ito na. Empty na. Empty. Sarado na natin yung toilet. Ayan. So, i-check natin yung mga electric. Ayan, wala nang close na ilaw. Close na din. Ayan. So, okay na. Nakapaglinis na ako. Goodbye, Ajman na talaga kami. Goodbye, Ajman na talaga kami. Hindi ko alam kung kailan kami ulit babalik dito sa Ajman. For the fridge. And fruits. Ayan, dadagin ko yan. Bibit-bitin natin to. And dadalhin natin sa hotel. Today nga pala guys, hindi pa kami actually na aalis. Hindi pa kami mag-flight today. Mag-i-stay kami sa Abu Dhabi. Sa hotel for one night. Kasi, tawag dito, ang flight namin is, tawag dito, bukas pa yung flight namin, pero maaga kaming pupunta ng Abu Dhabi kasi tawag dito, mas lalo kaming mapapagod bukas. Ready guys? You ready?
Yeah.
You ready, Amor?
Yeah.
Lassie? Let's go. Say bye-bye to the house.
Bye-bye, house.
This is the last time you will see this house. You will not come back anymore.
Even you come back, you cannot be here.
Bye! Bye-bye, guys! See you to Turkey! Go?
Yeah.
Ayaw mag-vlog ni Yamo. What is it?
Hi.
Where are you right now?
I don't know.
You are where?
Hotel.
What is the name of this hotel?
I know.
You are in Alof Hotel.
Did you wash your hands?
Hi! Hello!
Yazzie, come here. You need to wash your hands with bubbles.
Bubble
I open it. It smells yummy, the bubbles.
It's good smell?
Yes.
Why you are standing? You cannot
Because I
touch the
don't
ball.
have a chair.
Why you are shouting? You can talk nicely.
Kimmy!
Yung dalawa naghugas ng kamay. Ayan guys, kakarating lang namin dito sa Abu Dhabi. Nandito kami ngayon sa Alof Hotel. Ayan, we have what's this? A one night stay
That's
here.
a seat!
Dito kami matutulog
There's a
and
seat
then...
there!
Yeah,
Mommy, there's a seat behind
Yes.
you. There's headphones. I think I'm gonna take
And
this
there's a blower.
I don't know where to put this.
So, ayan guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Alof Hotel. Ayan, ito yung entrance and this will be our bedroom for tonight. Hi, Baba. Ayan. So, nandito na kami agad. Nag-fast forward tayo guys kasi nasa bahay, di ba kanina, umalis kami ng alas 12 na, 11:30 na kami nakaalis ng Achiman. So, nakarating kami dito 2:30. And what time now is 3:30 ng hapon.
Shower.
Shower. Ito yung shower room. This is the close the door. Door with mirror. Hi, amor. You will fall. So, ayan guys. Magsi-swimming daw yung mga bata. So, ready ko na lang yung swimsuit nila.
Come here, girl. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Boy!
Whoa! Wow! You jumped.
Hello! Hi guys! Ayan. Nandito ako sa labas. Lumabas ako. Glow. Yung min sa labas. Kaya nagmo-moist yung camera ko. Nandito sila Yamo siya si Yasi. Ayan. Isa oh. Sarap ng buhay. Ay, higa. Hi!
Look what I can do. Where's my water? Yasi can also float.
Really?
Yeah, he learned today.
You learn
Yasi,
now how
want
to
show
float?
Anne?
You learn already?
Yeah.
Close your eyes.
Leave your hands.
Be careful. You are drinking the water of
Wait,
the
I
pool.
will hold you and you do it.
How are you, sir? What's that? Menu? You order something?
They want ice cream.
No ice cream, yeah.
Anne,
Your
I'll
coffee.
smash you.
No, anak, I'm...
Smash you.
You.
You're enjoying, ah? You didn't go na? Didn't start.
Maybe after 1 minute.
We are here in New Airport.
It will be 3 after 1 minute, I think.
Yeah. Hey guys, so ayan, nandito na kami sa Abu Dhabi Airport. Nandito kami sa bagong terminal ng Abu Dhabi Airport. Ang laki ng ano, airport na to, guys. Haggard do Versosa ang lola nyo, guys, kasi ang init sa labas, tapos medyo na-haggard kami gawa ng yung taxi na in-order namin. May dumating na taxi, ang liit, hindi kasya lahat ng luggage namin. So ginawa ni Mr., bumalik pa talaga siya dito, pumunta talaga siya dito. Pumunta sila dito sa airport para kumuha ng taxi kasi walang available na taxi. Sobrang fully booked daw silang lahat. So pumunta sila dito at kumuha, and then bumalik ulit doon sa bahay ng kaibigan niya kasi nga, ay nako, hindi talaga kasya yung luggage siya, maliit na sasakyan. Kaya yung malaking sasakyan yung dinala namin. Kaya yun, medyo late. Hindi naman kami late, pero mag-close kasi yung gate ng 3:40. Eksaktong dumating kami dito alas 3, guys. So ayan, may 40 minutes pa kami. Naka-boarding, meron naman kaming auto-boarding, auto check-in. Okay, yeah, you can. Kaso lang, ayun nga, i-drop namin yung luggage namin, kaya Diyos mio, Marima, ang init talaga. Kaya alam nyo, kailangan talaga na pag may mga flight kayo, ito yung lagi kong sinasabi kay Mr. na pag may flight details kami, may lakad or pauwi, ganyan, sa airport, kailangan maaga kami sa airport para hindi kami mag-haul. Yun yung lagi kong sinasabi sa kanya, pero ang kulit niya talaga. Minsan, hindi mo kasi makokontrol yung oras sa yung mga nangyayari, diba? So, kailangan advance ka palagi. see.
Your visa is under which?
There's
which
no,
passport we give,
there's
right?
no.
Philippine passport with you, right? Your visa.
Yeah, it's there. All the old Philippine passport is the visa, but the new one is not there.
Mommy, what's under the seat?
Hi.
What's under the seat? Here in my window.
You can see houses.
See houses.
Okay, 3 is enough for you.
One is there.
Huh?
Hi guys, we are here in Ankara. Ankara, ayan. Nag-aantay kami ng luggage. Ayun, dalawa na. Ayan. 2 boxes is already out.
Out, right?
Yeah.
Our hand luggages come already, all of them, huh?
Yeah.
They take from
1 to 2. So, ang daming tao guys. Oo, ang daming tao ngayon. Sobra. Nung nakaraan, hindi na ganito kadami.
Can I remove this?
So, this is all our luggage. Yeah, you can remove if you can peel it. This is all our luggage, guys. So, ang dami. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 32 kilos and hand carry 4. And also including Yasu. Yasu. Anyway, ayan, kompleto na yung luggage namin kaso lang yung nirent naming sasakyan ay 30 minutes pa daw siya darating kasi akala niya hindi kami natuloy. Kasi nagme-message daw siya sa WhatsApp kanina, hindi naka-reply si Mr. kasi nga na-late kami ng dating sa airport. Kaya hindi kami nakapag-update. Kaya yun, papunta pa lang and 30 minutes pa yung way niya. Pupunta dito. So, we'll see you later guys. Bye! Guys, you okay? What agla?
Dur dur otur otur. Otur da şunu koyalım öyle bak. Huh?
Yeah, better.
Move the bags there out.
Yes, go out, go.
Move the bags.
Baba, can you tell him maybe we can pass by some...
Huh?
The VIP one is broken.
It's not broken. It's a glass holder. Yeah, it should hold, but it's not holding.
Manyak ka.
Klimamız var mı abi ya? Sıcak hava valla. Terledim.
Hello, hello Ankara.
Hello Ankara.
We are going.
Ne kadar da ineriz abi inşallah?
Ay, bismillah.
2 saatte iner miyiz? 2 saat sürer mi?
Günaydın. Hoş bulduk. First day in Turkey. Ang init guys. Ha. Bu yeni mi anne? Yeni de. Aha. İyi güzel. Ayan, dito si Vianan. First day of Turkey. Ha. Ah.
Oh, it was over there.
Ang init, tignan nyo, first day pa lang nila Yamor, pero nagkakaintindihan na yung magpipinsan.
Ne yapıyoruz?
Sıcak!
Yardım ihtiyacın varsa gir koluna.
Ha baksana, bak, the
Ben
bastı
sana
ya.
baston aldım orada, sokamadık, valizin içine sığmadı. Vallahi baston aldım.
Pupunta kami sa bahay ng aking hipag. Ay, sobrang init. Yung pang breakfast namin, pang ano na daw, pang tanghalian.
Third floor. 3. Üç, three. Hadi go.
Anne kaç? Kaç?
Üçüncü kat yavrum.
Yavaş çıkın yavaş.